Amberly, and this is the place to be for a balanced body, mind, and spirit. And today I'm going to lead you through an extremely simple exercise to help you feel lighter and less stressed and less tense in your body. So let's go ahead and start by getting a baseline of how you're feeling right now. So just take a few deep breaths, see how you're feeling, see where your stress levels are, see if you feel tense anywhere in your body. Then we're going to do a very simple two-part exercise that you can return to in any moment of any day. So the first part is we're going to take a few deep breaths and feel into your heart. And we're going to be letting go of any fear in the heart of not being enough. So any fear that you're carrying, subconsciously or consciously, of not being good enough, not being fast enough, not being organized enough, whatever it is, this fear of not being enough. Now we're going to take some deep breaths and we're going to let our body see this experience, see this emotion that's being held here, and let it go. So taking some deep breaths, we're going to tap on the head. So we're letting our brain come see this emotion. We're going to tap on the heart, so letting our heart's wisdom, our heart brain see this collection of emotion. And then we're going to tap on the abdomen, so letting our gut brain see this emotion. So we're kind of integrating our three brains to go look at and release this feeling of fear of not being enough. So gathering it up, breathing deeply, hand over the heart, tapping on the head, heart, and abdomen. Just letting your body release the fear of not being enough. Letting your heart in particular release the fear of not being enough. So just taking a few deep breaths, letting that go. And then the second part of this exercise is to come at it from the other side, and we're going to work with an affirmation. And that affirmation is simply, I am enough. I am enough. So the first few times you say it, it might feel a little uncomfortable, it might fit a little awkwardly. So we're just going to tap that in, and we're going to repeat that a few times, letting our body let go of any resistance to that idea, to that feeling. So hands over the heart again. Let's repeat together, I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. Let's do that one more time. I am enough. So just tuning back into your body, checking in with your stress levels, checking in with your tension, just noting if you feel any lighter, any less stressed, any less tense. Taking note of those changes. And that's something you can come back to anytime you're starting to feel yourself wind up, anytime you're starting to get stressed out, anytime you notice your body is starting to tighten up. Just return to that releasing of the fear of not being enough and claiming that affirmation, feeling the reality of I am enough. And you can tap that in. So I hope you enjoyed that, and feel free to share it with anyone that you think would benefit from it or would enjoy that, and I'll see you next time.